Welcome to Rama Foods. Today we are making vegetable samosa. For that we need to make the pastry first. So for pastry we need 400 grams of plain flour, 80 ml of plain vegetable oil, 120 ml of water, and 1 tablespoon of ajwain seeds. If you don't have them, you can skip them. But 1 tablespoon of ajwain seeds and 1 teaspoon of salt. So let's start. We need to make a smooth dough. We need to rub in the oil first and then gradually add water to make a smooth but firm dough. So once the oil has been fully incorporated in the flour, we need to start adding water and make it into a smooth dough. As you can see now, it's formed into a very smooth dough. So it doesn't have to be too loose and not too hard. So it's a very smooth. So now we leave it to rest for half an hour. While our dough is resting, let's make the filling. For filling we need around 600 grams of boiled potatoes, around 200 grams of peas which have been blanched, a handful of green coriander roughly chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder mix. If you don't have a mix, you can use 50-50. So half a teaspoon of cumin and half a teaspoon of coriander. Now we just need to mix it. So now our filling is ready. So our dough is nearly ready. Cut it into equal sized portions. We have cut them into equal sized portion. Now you need some plain flour for dusting as well. So yeah, that's the shape you're looking at. It should be evenly thin and not too thick. So evenly thin on all sides. So now once you have rolled the pastries into oblong shapes, we need to cut that into half right from the center. And now they are ready to fill. For filling, we need some water, and our filling, a tablespoon. So now this is the procedure of how to make a Punjabi vegetable samosa. So this shape is unique to this style of samosa. So we take the pastry, put it on top of your palm like this, and you see this straight side. Just put some water in your finger and just apply water on half of this side. After that, this side you turn it over to like 90 degree and then overlap the wet side on top of it, not overlapping too much, and just pinch here and slowly tap it to stick the pastry, and then just make a round with your other hand and put that and open it like a cone. So now your pocket is ready. Stuff this filling. Remember not to overfill the pocket, and otherwise it might burst. Just to enough at the level. Again, you apply the water, and on this side you apply the water on this side with your finger. Not too much, otherwise it will become too wet and difficult to handle. Then right from the center, lift it up and pinch it here where the fold is, and then go sideways like this. So yeah, your Punjabi vegetable samosa is ready to be fried. Let's make some more and then we'll fry them. So our samosas are ready now, and now we can start frying them. For that we need to heat the oil. So if you're using a deep fat fryer, then it needs to be heated for 165 degrees centigrade, and we need to fry them for about 10 minutes. Well, I'm using a kadai. When the oil is hot, slightly gently drop the samosas in the fryer. So it's nearly 12 minutes now, and as you can see, the samosas are nice golden brown color, crispy as well. So just time to take them out. Take them out on a tissue paper so to absorb the excess oil. So yeah, your Punjabi vegetable samosas are ready. Hope you like the video. Thank you very much. Enjoy.